Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice, where learning English is simple and enjoyable. I'm Lily.
Hey there, I'm Sam. Thanks so much for joining us today.
Sam, I'm really looking forward to today's lesson. How about you?
Absolutely. Today's topic is super practical and useful for everyone.
You're right. Today we're going to learn how to introduce yourself and talk about yourself in English.
This is such an important skill. Whether you're meeting someone new, starting a new job, or joining a class, you need to know this.
Exactly. And before we dive in, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button.
Yes, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
And share this with anyone who's learning English. We'd really appreciate it.
All right, Lily, shall we get started?
Let's do it. Sam, why don't you go first?
Okay, so when someone says, "Tell me about yourself," where should I begin?
Let's start with the basics. First, your name. Sam, what's your full name?
My name is Sam, S-A-M. Pretty simple, right?
Perfect. And I'm Lily, Lily. Nice to officially meet you, Sam.
Nice to meet you too, Lily. Okay, what comes next?
Next, we usually talk about where we're from. So, Sam, where are you from originally?
I'm from Canada. I grew up in Vancouver, near the mountains.
Oh, Vancouver. That sounds beautiful. I'm from the United States, from a city in Texas called Austin.
Austin. Nice. I've heard great things about Texas. So we have our name and where we're from. What about where we live now?
Good question. Sometimes people move, right? Sam, do you still live in Canada?
No, actually. I moved to Japan 3 years ago. I work here now. What about you?
Ah, Japan! How exciting! I live in New York now. I moved there for university and stayed.
New York, the big city. Okay, so listeners, notice how we're building our introduction step by step. Name, origin, current location.
That's right. You don't have to give everything at once, just a little information at a time.
And speaking of information, should we talk about age?
Well, that depends. In some situations, it's normal to mention your age, and others, you might skip it.
True. I'm 32 years old, and that's fine to share in a casual conversation like this.
And I'm 29. But remember, in professional settings, you don't always need to mention age.
Good point. Now, what's usually the next big question?
Career or studies? What do you do?
Ah, yes, the classic question. So, Lily, what do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. I create visual content for websites and social media.
That's awesome. So creative. I'm an English instructor. I teach online and create educational content.
Which is why we're here doing this podcast together.
Exactly. Now, what if someone is a student? How would they answer?
Good question. If you're a student, you could say, I'm studying marketing at the University of Toronto, or I'm a medical student.
Perfect. And if you're between jobs?
You can say, I'm currently looking for opportunities in the finance sector, or I'm taking some time to explore different career paths.
I like that. Stay positive and honest. Do you enjoy your work, Lily?
I love it. I get to be creative every day. How about you?
I really do. Teaching is incredibly rewarding. Seeing students improve their English makes me happy.
Oh, that's wonderful. Okay, so we've covered name, location, and work. What else should we include?
How about family?
Family is a great topic. Sam, do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have two brothers. One is older than me, and one is younger. Do you have siblings?
I have one younger sister. Her name is Sophie. She's 26 and works as a nurse.
A nurse. That's such an important profession. My older brother is an engineer, and my younger brother is still in university studying computer science.
Oh, that's great. What about your parents? What do they do?
My dad is retired now, but he was a carpenter. My mom is a librarian. She loves books.
Oh, lovely. My father is an accountant, and my mother is a school counselor.
Wonderful professions. Now, not everyone wants to talk about family in detail, and that's okay.
Absolutely. You can keep it brief. Just say, I have a small family, or I'm close with my siblings.
Exactly. Let's move on to something fun. Pets.
Pets, I love this topic. Sam, do you have any pets?
I do. I have a golden retriever named Charlie. He's 4 years old and super energetic.
Charlie, I love golden retrievers. I have a cat named Milo. He's gray and very independent.
See, I'm a dog person and you're a cat person. Classic difference.
It is, but both are wonderful companions.
Definitely. Now, let's talk about hobbies. This is where you can really show your personality.
I agree. Hobbies make you interesting. So, Sam, what do you like to do in your free time?
I love hiking. I try to go every weekend. I also enjoy cooking new recipes, especially Italian food.
Mmm, Italian food is delicious. I love baking. I make cakes and cookies for my friends and family.
You'll have to bake something for me sometime.
Deal. I also enjoy reading mystery novels and watching documentaries,
Oh, documentaries, what kind?
mostly about history and nature. They're so fascinating.
I love nature documentaries too. I also play guitar in my spare time. Not professionally, just for fun.
That's so cool. Music is such a great hobby.
Now, listeners, notice how we're not just listing hobbies, we're adding little details.
Yes, instead of just saying, I like reading, say, I enjoy reading mystery novels before bed.
It makes the conversation more interesting and gives the other person something to ask about.
Let's talk about favorites. This is fun. Sam, what's your favorite type of food?
Oh, that's tough. I'd say Thai food. I love the flavors, spicy, sweet, and savory all together.
Thai food is amazing. My favorite is Mexican food. I love tacos and enchiladas.
Yum! What about your favorite color?
I love purple. It's calming and elegant. What's yours?
I'm a big fan of orange. It's bright and cheerful, just like a sunset.
Orange is a happy color. Okay, favorite season.
Definitely summer. I love the warm weather and long days. You?
I prefer autumn. I love the cooler temperatures and beautiful changing leaves.
Autumn is beautiful too. What about favorite movie genre?
I love thrillers and suspense films. They keep me on the edge of my seat.
Nice. I'm more into action movies and sci-fi, big explosions and futuristic worlds.
We have such different tastes, but that's what makes conversations interesting.
Exactly. And speaking of differences, let's talk about dislikes.
Good idea. It's okay to mention things you don't like to. Sam, is there a food you really don't enjoy?
Yes, I cannot stand mushrooms. The texture just doesn't work for me.
I actually love mushrooms, but I really dislike pickles. Too sour for me.
See? Everyone has their preferences. What about activities? Anything you avoid?
I'm not a fan of crowded places. Too much noise and chaos for me.
Ah, I understand that. I don't like being late. It makes me stressed and anxious.
Same here. Punctuality is important to me too.
So, you can talk about dislikes in a positive way. Don't complain, just state your preferences.
Exactly. Say, I prefer quiet environments rather than I hate loud places.
Perfect tip. Now, let's put this all together.
So, Sam, we've covered a lot. Let's do a complete introduction using everything we learned.
Great idea. I'll go first. Hi, I'm Sam. I'm originally from Canada, from Vancouver, but now I live in Japan. I'm an English instructor, and I've been teaching for about 8 years. I have 2 brothers and a dog named Charlie. In my free time, I love hiking, cooking Italian food, and playing guitar. My favorite season is summer, and I can't stand mushrooms.
Perfect. That gives such a clear picture of who you are. My turn. Hello, I'm Lily from Austin, Texas, but I currently live in New York. I work as a graphic designer, creating content for digital platforms. I have one younger sister who's a nurse, and I have a cat named Milo. I enjoy baking, reading mystery novels, and watching documentaries. I love autumn, Mexican food, and the color purple. Oh, and I really don't like pickles.
Excellent! See how natural that sounds? You don't need to memorize anything. Just think about these categories.
Right. Name, location, work or studies, family, pets, hobbies, favorites, and maybe 1 or 2 dislikes.
And remember, you don't have to share all of this at once.
Exactly. In a quick introduction, maybe just name, location, and occupation. In a longer conversation, you can add more.
The key is to be genuine and friendly.
Now it's your turn to practice. Let's do a quick exercise.
Great idea. Listeners, pause the video for a moment and think about your answers to these questions.
Question 1, what's your name and where are you from?
Question 2, what do you do? Work or study?
Question 3, what's one hobby you really enjoy?
Question 4, what's your favorite type of food?
Take your time. Create 1 or 2 sentences for each question.
And don't worry about being perfect. The goal is to practice.
When you're ready, try saying your introduction out loud. It helps build confidence.
Exactly. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
Well, Sam, I think we've covered everything about introducing yourself.
We really have. From the basics like name and location to details like hobbies and favorites.
The most important thing to remember is be yourself.
Absolutely. Don't try to be someone you're not. Authenticity is what makes you interesting.
And keep it simple. You don't need fancy words or complicated sentences.
Just speak from the heart, and people will connect with you.
Before we finish, we have a special request for all of you.
Yes, we'd love to hear from you. Go to the comments section below and introduce yourself to us.
Tell us your name, where you're from, and one interesting thing about yourself. It could be a hobby, a favorite food, or anything you'd like to share.
We'll read every comment and get to know you better. It'll be like a big daily English community.
We're so excited to learn about all of you.
And if you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to Daily English Practice.
Hit that like button and share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
It really helps us reach more people and create more content for you.
Thank you all so much for listening today. We hope this was useful.
Keep practicing your introductions. You'll get better and better with time.
We'll see you in the next episode with another exciting lesson.
Take care, everyone. Keep learning and stay confident.
Goodbye for now.
See you soon. Bye.